The Rack Shop is proud to present the 2021 through 2024 GMC Yukon AT4. Now this actually is the same fit for other Yukons and Tahoe and Suburbans of the same year range. But anyways, we've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo flush rail base rack system. This is using the Thule Wingbar load bars, 60 inches in length. Black is shown here, but silver is also available. The flush rail foot pack, which is a set of 4. Vehicle specific fitting kit 186117. So those 3 items combined make up your base crossbar system. Locks can be added if you want to add security to it. Crossbars can also be spaced at 58 inches center to center at max crossbar spacing. And overall you have a 165-pound carrying capacity. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the links in the description below. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.